Good morning. Today we are going to discover another tense in grammar, which is the present continuous. We have seen before the simple present and we have conjugated some of the verb in the simple present. And today we are going to focus on another new tense which called the present continuous. In Arabic we call it الحاضر المستمر. الحاضر المستمر. So, when do we use the present continuous? We use it to talk about something happening now. شي حاجة اللي كتوقع الآن now at this moment and today. So we can use all these expressions to express the present continuous. So we use it to talk about something or about an action واحد الحدث that is happening now توقع دابا or at this moment ولا في هاد اللحظة هذه or in general today. We have here some examples. So look at this picture. The boy is sleeping. The boy is sleeping. That means that he is still sleeping at the time of speaking. يعني راه باقي ناعس. So the boy is sleeping. For the second picture, we have also a boy who is eating. So he is eating, for example, sandwich. So the action is still continuous. What is happening at this moment or now? It is raining. It is raining. So we have here a boy and a girl. They are reading. So they are reading. I think that you have noticed the form of the present continuous, which is to form it, that means to form the present continuous, we use verb to be plus verb plus ing. Verb to be, any verb of course, plus ing. That means I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are, plus verb plus ing. For example, I am playing, you are studying, he is swimming, she is singing. So what we have to use is the verb to be, which is of course, as I told you before, I am, you are, he is, she is, etc., plus any verb plus the ing. Is that clear? So let's practice now. And let's try to discover what are these people doing. So let's pay attention with these pictures and try to give me the sentences using, of course, the present continuous. So at this picture we have some people who are doing some different activities, of course. All these activities are happening now or at this moment. So let's try to begin with the first picture and try to think about a sentence using the present continuous. So the first picture, he is doing his homework. He is doing his homework. What do we have in the sentence? We have the pronoun he and the verb to be, which is, the verb do plus ing, He is doing. He is doing his homework. The second picture. He is skating. He is skating. It consists of the pronoun he, the verb to be is, the verb skate, and the ing. So this is how do we form the present continuous, of course. The third picture, they are drinking coffee. They are drinking coffee. So we have they, the pronoun, plus the verb to be, plus the verb drink, and the ing. For the fourth picture, they are playing basketball. They are, pronoun plus verb to be, the verb play plus ing. They are playing basketball. For the fifth picture, she is washing her face. It consists of pronoun plus verb to be plus the verb wash plus the ing. And for the last one, they are running. We have the pronoun they, the verb to be are, and the verb run plus ing. They are running. The affirmative form of the present continuous. We have here a table in which we have the affirmative form. So we have the pronoun and the verb to be and the verb plus ing. We have here as example the verb play. So I am playing. You are playing. He and she and it is playing. We and you and they are playing. So this is the affirmative form. Of course, we can give other examples. For example, they are studying, or she is swimming, etc., etc. For the interrogative form. The interrogative form, how can we ask questions using the present continuous? So let's have a look at this table. So we have here the verb play is conjugated into the interrogative form of the present continuous. So what do you notice? What do you notice? We don't say I am playing. We say am I playing? Am I playing? I think that we have seen this before. Okay, it becomes am I playing football? So what do we do in here? We just reverse or invert the pronoun and the verb to be. تنقلبوهم كيف كنا شفنا قبل. I am, it becomes am I. You are, it becomes are you. And of course we have to add the ing to the verb. So let's read. Am I playing? Are you playing? Is he and she and it playing? Are we playing? Are you playing? And are they playing? So all what we have to do in here is just to reverse the pronoun and the verb to be. For the negative form, that means if I want to answer with no, we have just to add the not. I am playing. I am not playing. You are studying. You are not studying, etc. So let's read. I am not playing. You are not playing. He and she and it is not playing. We, you and they are not playing. So we have just to add the not. Not is for the negative form. And we have also the short form. I can say are not or aren't. is not, or isn't. So both of them are correct. You can use any one of them, of course. So let's have some practice and follow with me, okay? Look at this picture. So, is he watching a video? Is he watching a video? So I am waiting for your answers. Is he watching a video? Of course. No, he isn't. No, he isn't. He is not watching a video, of course. Is he making a film? Is he making a film? Of course, no, he isn't. Is he taking a photo? Is he taking a photo? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Good job. So we have here a picture. It's a bus. So, are they driving a car? Are they driving a car? So we have here, of course, a question. We have the verb to be, and then the pronoun, and then the verb drive plus the ing. So what is your answer? Are they driving a car? Of course, no. They aren't. And here we have the short form. جواب قصير. The short form. No, they aren't. Or we can say, no, they aren't driving a car, of course. Another expression or another question. Are they riding a bike? Are they riding a bike? What is your answer? Yes or no? Of course, no, they aren't. They aren't riding a bike. Question number 3. Are they traveling by bus? Are they traveling by bus? Yes, they are. Yes, they are traveling by bus if I want to complete my sentence or my answer. For the third picture, let's try to have a look and ask questions and answer for them. So the first question is she sleeping? Is she sleeping? What do you think? Yes or no? Of course, the answer is no. She isn't. No, she isn't. Is she reading the newspaper? Is she reading the newspaper? Do you know what is newspaper? For example, الأحداث المغربية is a newspaper. المساء is a newspaper. يعني جريدة. So what do you think? Of course, no, she isn't. She isn't reading a newspaper. Is she reading a book? Of course, yes, she is. Yes, she is reading a book. Now, let's take our copybooks part exercise, and let's try to practice and have some exercises. Are you ready? So let's go. Exercise number 1. Put verbs between brackets بين قوسين in the present continuous. So the first sentence we have كوثر and the verb between brackets is sing now. كوثر sing now, and we have to conjugate the verb sing in the present continuous. So we have the pronoun, which is كوثر. What do we need is the verb to be, and we also need the ing. So the answer is, what is the answer? Okay, كوثر is singing now. Kautar is singing. Okay? We have the verb to be, which is, and we have to add the ing to the verb sing. So we have to complete the other sentences and we have to conjugate it into the present continuous. Good luck. Exercise number 2. Put verbs between brackets in the negative form. So we have to conjugate the verbs into the negative, not affirmative and not interrogative. So, she not and play tennis. So if I want to conjugate it, I will say she is, of course the verb to be is very important. She is not playing tennis. She is not playing tennis. If I said she not playing tennis, of course it is not correct. I have to use the present continuous. So let's do the same thing with the other sentences. So good luck with your exercises and see you next time with the spinner rules of the present continuous. Yes, we are still in the present continuous. So see you next time. Goodbye.